Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today's video is sponsored by Orion Motor Tech. And they sent us a 22 piece disc brake caliper toolkit. And then also the brake bleeder vacuum pump kit, which is, both these are really nice, high quality. And I set up some tools here just to kind of explain, like when you're doing brakes or whatever. This is some of the stuff that I'm always grabbing to use. I've had this one probably since I was about 12 years old. And on some of these specialty cars, Audis, Porsche, Volkswagen, you know, like a lot of your European cars, and then there's a lot of your American cars also that they have pins in their calipers. You can't just press the calipers back. They have to actually screw in. And I've been using this tool for years. I don't know, it's okay. It works all right. It's a pain in the ass. This one though, I got this a while back when I was doing my sister's brakes on her car. It worked all right. But then I got this in the mail from Orion Motor Tech. And I want to thank them for sponsoring this video, sending us these tools. This is nice. And this is a really nice kit. I was checking this out. And it's set up nice because you have the same thing. You have the holes, excuse me. You have the holes here, and you take your 3/8 ratchet and you could drop it in there. And then that way you could turn this, you know, with an extension on it, you could turn that caliper in, the piston in on the caliper when you're doing a set of brakes. And then it has these here that you can do manually. And you got your adapters. You have all your adapters. There's some instructions here. I'll show you the instructions in a second. All your adapters that you could drop in there with these, and then you twist these to compress the calipers so you could change your brake pads. And they have, everything's numbered, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. And they're all numbered for different cars. And then you have your instructions here. And this is the kit that they sent me. It's got some pretty simple instructions, nothing fancy. But honestly, I mean, if this is the stuff that you do every day, you kind of pick up on what's in the kit and how to use it and all that good stuff. And then this is some of the cars here that they work on. So if you need to check this out, you can go on their website, or you can just screenshot right here on this video if this is good enough. And it's got all the different numbers, letters, everything what they're for and what they're used for, or what vehicles are for, you know. And then also they sent there was a pair of gloves that came with it, and then there was these hangers, and these are caliper hangers. When you're working on the job, you don't want the calipers, you know, jumping around when you're trying to change the rotors and stuff. So this came with the kit, which was, you know, really thoughtful. I mean, that was a good idea. And this one's, it seems to be real high quality. I mean, it's nice. It's not, you know, junky crap tools or nothing. I mean, everything's built really solid, really nice. And it has, it's almost like a blasted finish. It's not anodized, but you can tell it's got some kind of a coating on it. It's almost like it's blued or something. But really nice quality. It comes with its case. Everything stays in there. Got the plastic case. That way you can, you know, throw it on your shelf or throw it in a toolbox. And then here, this is the, sorry about that. This is the brake bleeder vacuum pump kit. And this one's really nice also. It has all the adapters. I was checking these out this morning, and some of these adapters, you know, if you try to buy this like off of a tool truck or something, this is gonna be really expensive. And they have extra O-rings in here, all the clips, pins, instructions. And then the vacuum gauge itself is really nice. I think the plastic is still on that face, so if it looks funny in the camera, that's why. But it's got their logo on here, and it's anodized gold. And this is for bleeding the brakes, but you can also do vacuum tests with this and all kinds of stuff. This is a really nice kit. It's got all the adapters for the brake bleeding and everything with this here. That way you're not making a mess all over your shop floor. And with this kit, you can do a lot of tricks. If you go online, or, you know, if you're an experienced mechanic, you could, you know, bleed brakes out by yourself. You don't need help when, you know, when somebody's in the shop or whatever. Usually you have to have somebody help you pumping the brakes. But this is nice. It has all the different adapters to do vacuum tests on an engine to find a problem. And then also it's got all the lines. I mean, they included everything. It's really, really nice setup kit. And I like that they have it set up in this this box here, because same thing, you know, you can close this up, throw it in your toolbox. If you're a mobile mechanic, this would be amazing. But I want to thank them for sending this kit to me. This will be used many times in the shop. You guys go check out their website. It's Orion Motor Tech. Hopefully this video helped out. I appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one. Later.